Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you step by step on how to connect Excel file to Power BI. So this is the file that I'll be using for this demonstration. This is my employee file. It has data regarding employees. So to start with, make sure you have saved your file to your local PC. So for mine, I've already saved, no need to save it again. But if you haven't saved your file, please make sure you have saved it first before proceeding to the next thing. So the next thing we are going to do, you will open your Power BI desktop, then click on Get Data, then click on Excel Workbook Connector. This will navigate you to your local PC where you saved your file. So make sure you navigate to a location where you saved your file. In my case, it's just here, the employees file. I will select it, then proceed with the next thing. So once I've connected my file, it will give you a preview of the data that we are going to load. And the next thing that we are going to do, you will just click on the load button to load the data in Power BI. This might take some few seconds depending on the size of your data. So if your data it's small, it may take a bit of time to load. And once the data has been successfully loaded into Power BI, you can view the table. You can have a table view of the data that we have just loaded by clicking on the table view on this side. And now you are able to see the data that we loaded in a table view. You can also have a modern view of the table that we have just loaded. And that's how you can quickly upload data from Excel to Power BI.